Alright, so we made it to the store. Guys, we're playing hide and seek right now and I can't find Sarah. Oh, I see clothes moving. Sorry. Okay, so we got everything. Let's go. We made it home!
Yeah!
So now we're gonna make the slime and Sarah, do you have the stuff?
I have some goodies for us before we start. So
Here's all our stuff. Guys, I'm taking off my jacket just to make sure that I don't get any slime on it.
and I want my sleeves up.
Yep, okay, here we go. There we go. Okay, that's enough.
You cannot put these in it because you have this.
No, I can. It's gonna look so cool.
So I think the next step is to add some glitter.
That's all you're putting?
Yes.
More than that. Oh my gosh, it's covered. Okay. Glitter is done. Time for the beads.
Mine's full.
Okay.
I'm not gonna add a lot to it, so.
Because if you add too much beads, then they'll fall out while you're playing with it, so.
Cause that's good.
Oh, I'm gonna probably put more than that.
I don't want too much, guys. Like this much of glitter. That's good, that's good.
All right.
Just kind of mix it, and then after that, I'm gonna activate it. Whoa, look at mine.
Whoa.
Mine's working, guys.
It's kind of hard to mix with this GoPro in here because it's like in the way.
I think I need some more glitter.
Okay, I'm gonna activate now. It's already activating and I only put like three little spoons in there. It's activating, guys.
It's not. It's not.
It is.
It's not.
Look at.
I got some more glitter to mine because I put a lot of glitter in it.
You did?
Oh, mine's working. Mine's activating. Because you gotta get the size.
Guys, I'm gonna use my hands now. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's working. It worked. Mission success. Wait, mission done. Whoa. Guys, my slime turned out maybe not very well. It's kind of, I don't know.
Mine's scratchy.
I think once I wait a couple days for it to clear up, it'll become a really good slime. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.